Hi, I'm Maverick, a project expert, and welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, what is a smart kitchen? Many of us use smart technology every day, from asking our voice assistant for the weather report to unlocking the front door with our cell phones. There are two types of smart connections, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now, Wi-Fi enabled devices can be controlled from anywhere by using the internet to communicate. Bluetooth enabled devices do not use the internet. They're short range, and they can only be controlled from nearby. A smart kitchen includes appliances that can connect to the internet via your home's Wi-Fi network and can be controlled through an app on your cell phone, tablet, or other connected device. Some smart appliances also have Bluetooth capabilities. Virtually every type of kitchen appliance has smart models available. In this kitchen, we chose a suite of smart appliances by Samsung. Now let's start with this range hood and cooktop. They're Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control and monitor the individual functions through your app. Things like on-off status, fan speed, and lights. You can even set an automatic shut-off timer. This range hood and cooktop are also Bluetooth enabled, which means that they can be paired together so you can set the hood to turn on automatically every time a cooktop element heats up. The oven in this microwave oven combo is Wi-Fi connected, allowing you to turn the oven off and on and control the temperature settings from your app. This Samsung refrigerator takes smart technology to another level. The video panel, called the Family Hub, not only communicates with the fridge, it also lets you access your favorite apps and works as a hub for other connected devices within your home. Because it's connected to the internet, this hub will let you play music from your favorite apps, monitor cameras throughout your home, and even watch TV on the panel. And 3 cameras inside the refrigerator can be accessed from anywhere. So if you're at the store and can't remember if you need an ingredient, you can view the contents of the fridge right from your cell phone. And when you're ready to start cooking, just use the touch screen to preheat your connected oven to the correct temperature. Now, these are just a few examples of how smart appliances can make life a little easier. Each smart appliance manufacturer has its own app and features, so take some time to research which ones are right for your kitchen. And if you have questions or need help choosing, our product experts are available by phone or chat. For more great tips on choosing smart tech for your home, check out our buying guide by clicking the link below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.